Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing well today. And I am a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to help you, motivate you, inspire you, and guide you to great successes on your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Today's subject is one that's very key and pivotal to your success, and that is establishing a morning routine. Starting each day with a routine that sets a very positive tone and note. You know, when you're following the ketogenic lifestyle and diet, establishing a morning routine that supports your health goals can make all the difference in the world. Whether you're new to keto or a seasoned veteran, starting your day with intention sets the tone for your success, both in your diet and your overall well-being. Let's dive into why a solid morning routine matters and how to create one that complements your ketogenic lifestyle. Now let's speak about why a morning routine is essential and key. The way you start your day certainly influences everything that follows. A well-structured morning routine helps you stay consistent, focused, and energized, especially when you're on a ketogenic diet and lifestyle. By creating habits that align with your keto goals, you'll find it easier to stay on track, reduce stress, and maintain a positive mindset and posture throughout your day. Having a routine helps to regulate your body's internal clock, improving both mental and physical health. It ensures you begin each day in control, avoiding rushed decisions like grabbing unhealthy foods or skipping breakfast. Instead, you'll find choices that enhance your keto progress, boost energy, and set you up for a successful day ahead. So let's speak now about steps to create a keto-friendly morning routine. Here's how you can build a morning routine that supports your ketogenic lifestyle. Number one, it's important and critical to hydrate initially in the morning when you get up. Starting your day with proper hydration is essential, especially when following a ketogenic diet and lifestyle, which can have diuretic effects. When you lower your carbs, you're losing water and salt, so you need to replenish your water in your system. Drinking a glass of water right after waking up replenishes fluids, kickstarts digestion, and helps flush out toxins. Adding a pinch of sea salt can also help restore electrolytes, which are especially important on keto. And it's good to have at least 8 glasses of water a day, or half your body weight in ounces of water. For example, if you're 140 pounds, you should have at least 70 ounces of water in your system daily, more or less. It's not a hard and fast rule, but it's certainly a guideline to look at. Half your body weight in water. If you can drink that, that would be sufficient. And some people might need less, some people might need more. Number two, it's important to incorporate healthy fats early into your diet and lifestyle. Keto is all about fueling your body with healthy fats, and your morning routine should reflect that. Begin with a keto-friendly breakfast that includes high-quality fats such as avocado, eggs, or a bulletproof coffee made with MCT oil. These fats will give you sustained energy and help maintain your fat-burning metabolism throughout the day. If you're practicing intermittent fasting, which pairs well with keto, by the way, you can simply sip on black coffee or wait to eat until your eating window begins. Usually with intermittent fasting, sipping on a cup of black coffee or some water in the morning is fine. But if you prefer breakfast, make sure it's packed with fats and protein to keep you full and energized. Number 3, move your body. Physical activity in the morning is a great way to get your metabolism going, especially on keto. A quick workout, a brisk walk in the morning, or even a few minutes of stretching, Pilates, or yoga will wake up your muscles and increase your blood flow. Movement doesn't just help with your physical health, it also boosts mental clarity and sets a positive tone for your day. So move your body early and often throughout the day. If you're just starting your keto journey, light exercises can ease your transition into fat metabolism. For those already established on keto, morning exercise is a perfect complement to maintaining steady energy levels and supporting your fat loss. Number 4, practice mindfulness. Keto isn't just about what you eat. It's about your overall well-being. Incorporating mindfulness into your morning routine can help you stay present, focused, and less likely to stray from your goals, whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply spending a few minutes in quiet reflection. Mindfulness will help center your mind and prepare you on your day ahead. Considering writing down a few keto goals for the day or a motivational note that reminds you why you chose your lifestyle. Sometimes it's good to look back at your personal whys for, the reasons why you started keto. Reflecting on your progress and intentions helps keep your motivation strong and vibrant. Number 5, plan out your keto meals. Spending a few minutes planning or prepping your meals for the day can keep you from making impulsive decisions. You can map out your keto-friendly meals, prepare snacks, and ensure you're stocked with everything you need to avoid temptations. This extra step will save you time and help you stay on track, especially when the day gets busy. So planning ahead and prepping your meals ahead are important in order to avoid impulsive decision making. The power of routine for long-term success is quite evident. Establishing a morning routine that's supportive of your ketogenic goals isn't just a short-term boost. It can be a foundation for long-term success. The consistency of a routine provides structure and discipline, making it easier to follow through on your keto diet and lifestyle. Over time, you will notice better energy levels, improved mood, and more significant progress towards your health goals. If you're just starting keto, use your morning routine to ease the transition into fat adaptation by focusing on hydration, healthy fats, and mindfulness. If you've been on keto for a while, refining your routine can take your progress to the next level. So in conclusion, starting your day with a routine that sets a positive tone is one of the most powerful things you can do on your ketogenic lifestyle. By incorporating hydration, healthy fats, movement, and mindfulness, you'll set yourself up for a productive, energized day every day. Whether you're new to keto or a long-term follower, creating a morning routine tailored to your goals will help you stay consistent and thrive in your ketogenic journey. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for doing that. This has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.